Right, boys.
Right.
Today's vlog.
We're gonna do
Some car reviews.
We'll start off with the road.
We'll start off. No, we'll save that one. Let's start with this one.
This 730D
Yeah.
cream interior. I think it's leather seats or something.
What can you tell us about it?
You need to get the keys and open the door.
Yeah, I don't have the keys.
It's a car. So far we've established
2019.
It's a car. It's a 2019.
Yeah, as you can hear, we can see the Kia cars. What car should we do next?
You haven't even done this one yet?
Yeah, I don't know the stats. Well, it's a BMW 730D,
Yeah.
19 plate, cream interior. I already said that.
Leather seats.
I'd said leather seats already.
All of these.
It's the big grill. I think the horsepower is around 200, 210.
It'll be more than that.
Come on.
M Sport as well.
Next one.
Get facts about the
Alright, what's the next car? Alright,
Stop the video. Get facts
we'll
about
go this way now.
Yeah.
Next is a Lexus. Alright, we'll go that way then
Rolls
instead.
Royce.
Alright,
Rolls Royce.
so we got Rolls Royce here. Black interior. I think this is leather seats or half leather seats.
Do you know what Rolls Royce is?
I think it's a Phantom. What?
It's a fun car. As you can see, it's a lady in it.
There's a lady in it.
A lady with wings.
A lady with wings. Okay.
It's got a big grill on it. As you
Yeah,
can see,
big
it's
grill.
a wedding. Big grill. It's a wedding.
Can we do
to
like
have a
6
ribbon on
inch?
it. Look at this number plate. Look at this number plate. S2IYG.
Why don't you do your car? You can open it.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, come on.
Let's take a little trip.
So we're gonna go down the road.
We'll go check the back down at the back of the car.
This is oh the rocks. They keep the rocks.
They're trying to do car review.
Yeah, car review.
Let us just think about the cars.
Why are you making me do this car then? Let's go to a different car.
Yeah.
Alright, so guys,
This
in
is
a Rolls Royce.
Oh, that. Wait.
2 seconds.
Wait, is that?
Guys, we got 3 seconds in it here. Easy.
What's this here?
TV.
TV. Yeah.
Let's go in front.
Put your feet down. Keep your feet down, yeah?
Let's check out the front. Stand up and check the front.
We're going to the front if you want, you know.
Let's go in front.
Passing it, I'll record.
Not right now.
Come on, guys. Hold on. Right, come in.
Right, guys, end of the video.
I can't.
I'll be in it.
Alright, guys,
Put the camera down.
we're here in Polo GTI. My cousin Isa's here. Can't really see him. Go.
When the brake, I'm going like this.
Don't show her, don't. You.
What did I say about?
Isa. Let me hold it.
I'm going like
You're going everywhere with the camera.
You have to turn the camera towards me. Look, I'm gonna push it. Going too fast. some people in it. Like, put yourself in it.
Yeah. Oh, yo, this is legitimately sick, you know.
Let me take off your knee. Come on, put it.
Yo, what did you see for?
I'm going to Pakistan, innit?
I'm on the way back from Pakistan now.
Yeah. We're just in Birmingham right now.
Now we're in Manchester. No, I mean
Now we're back in
Sheffield.
Leeds. Back in Leeds now.
I now we're back in Leeds.
Yeah. Show your face.
See, look, 2 seconds.
Show your
2
face.
seconds. 2 seconds.
The camera fell, so yeah.
Going down here, right? Yep.
Wee. Look how I'm doing. Look how I'm doing. Look how I'm doing. I'm messing about with.
Did you know the video?
Yeah, no. And we're almost back to the house.
Oh, basically, yeah.
We're basically, yeah.
What are you?